Kanchascom and allies proceeds to Delhi to reiterate a long-standing demand for the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Two children died after drowning in water on 5th of August at Khatkati. Forest officials and staff at Silunijan and Bokajan Forest Range neglected their duties and responsibilities assigned to them. Welcome to English Prime Time with Julie Baby. On 5th of August, Kanchascom and its allies advanced for Delhi from Deepu to stage a protest at Jantar Mantar on 8th of August to reiterate the long-standing demand of the Twin Hills district of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao over the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao had been demanding its constitutional rights over the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution since the last 3 decades. Over this period, many innocent lives had been lost, many became widowed, and many became orphans. But the struggle for autonomous state continues, and this time around to reiterate their aspirations and demand for the implementation of Article 244A, a delegations from KSA, Karbi Riso Adorbar, Karsa, Kuya, Lalung Adorbar, Karbi Adorbar, and various social and students organizations led by Kanchascom advanced for New Delhi from Deepu on 5th August. Ajit Timong, Chairman, Kanchascom, informed that MP of Autonomous District ST, both the CEMs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and NCHAC, MLAs from the Twin Hills District, and also Nandita Gorlosa, Minister of Government of Assam, unanimously supported the movement. Therefore, the movement for the implementation of Article 244A would continue until and unless it is implemented an autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao is created.
357 positive response na matya walang sadar dili le rok ni tumbori na MP content la pendaga tumena jang si manisia MLA MP of Hanandun Pulote halata ni tumada bodipo akola tenensi la CM Mandalal sorry Rivolal Ganglosa akola tala minister Nandita Ganglosa alang ni tunda full cooperation do alang ni tunda nito memorandum of puyo pura sinang kuri dondo ge autonomous sarala mangat pura palong nai palong talo la pen Karbi Anglong alo MP Horansing Bensing sana pido Karbi Anglong alo MLA nona bang tido alang ni tunda sat sina pido na CM da sina pido aten Dima Hasao CM regular ganglo satana pido angkek mana angkek mana mai thek long he pa chora la manusa angkek do de tik eklemer na po long de tik eklemer na po klem wek na po un wek na po no no de bang.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident that had taken place at around 10 a.m. on 5th of August at Khatkati, Tilabosti, near Balaji parking spot, 2 children was drawn in the water and lost their lives when they accidentally proceeded towards a fishery while playing. Locals informed that they had tried to save both the children when they saw the children drowning, but unfortunately one of the children died at the spot, while the other was immediately taken to Nikos Hospital, Dimapur for his treatment. The children were identified as Anu Adhikari, 2.5 years old, son of Roshan Adhikari; Ishan Adhikari, 4 years old, son of Roshan Adhikari. Khatkati Police SI Nitul Saikia, SI Atikur Rahman, SI Rajiv Bora and Bokajan OC Moblik Brahma visited the site and took over the case. The mortal remains of the departed soul was sent to Deepu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem report. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Due to the implementation of machinery equipments, excessive of soil mining was done under Bokajan subdivision, which consequently affected the free flow and the course of the river. The negligence from the Forest Department upon performing their duties had additionally boosted the transient extraction of soils using modern machinery. Early Earlier, the extraction of the soil was done using a shovel without harming the ecosystem of the river. But due to the implementation of machinery equipments, excessive of soil mining was done under Bokajan subdivision, which had destroyed the ecosystem and the beauty of the river. The concerned Forest Department of Silonechan Range and Bokajan Forest Range under Bokajan subdivision are still silent on this matter despite so much of discussion flying around. Is the concerned authority unaware about the fact that more than 50 soil extraction machines had been installed, or they are unaware and intentionally keeping quiet on this matter? It is indeed a matter of great concern as to why the forest departments are silent over the transient extraction of soils happening in the region. There is no intervention and inspection had been made so far. This has supplemented the suspicion of conspiracy upon the forest department under Bokajan subdivision. It can be seen that most of the employees spend their whole day at their quarter doing everything other than performing their duties and responsibilities assigned upon them. They would either sleep whole day or they would spend their time at the check gate looking for easy money. Therefore, the intervention of Dr. Tuliram Bronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, concerned Forest Department and higher authority is in dire need at this point of time to cease the transient extraction of the soils from the river and also to resist the ecosystem of the river from being destroyed completely. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. On 5th of August, Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM, visited the Aithar Soil Conservation Range Office and initiated the Chief Minister Institutional Plantation Program. Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM, visited Kohara Soil Conservation Range Office and Aithar Soil Conservation Range Office on the same day and observed the plantation program on both the locations under the Chief Minister Institutional Plantation Program. It was reported that Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM, suggested the rangers and officials of the range offices to report immediately if there is any employee who withdraws their salary without performing their duties, except those employees who are on medical leaves. Prabhat Chandra Taro assures their termination if found guilty and unreasonable. Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM, also suggested the construction of tree house at the Aithar Soil Conservation Range Office since the perimeter is often visited by wild elephants. He also urged the employees of Soil Conservation Range Office to maintain clean and hygiene environment in and around the office premises. He assures that the upgradation and renovation of staff quarters and office would be done once the state and central schemes are allocated to Forest Department under KAAC within the next 2-3 years. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.